Good morning. My name is Amy Kregel. I'm the owner of The House of Cat, and the following meditations will heal you. I've been doing a lot of research about where science meets religion, and I actually have a blog, where science meets religion.blogspot.com. But where does that happen? It happens in faith. And religion has been telling you forever, you have to believe, you have to have faith. You have to know that you can be healed, you will be healed, you are already healed. Those lepers in the Bible, they believed that when Jesus touched them, they would be healed. They believed it, and they were healed. That's the religion part. The science part, why? How? Something called the law of attraction. You can look up the law of attraction on your own. Today I'm going to get to these meditations to help heal you and heal me. Sit quietly and imagine a star of the purest white silver light taking radiant form in your heart. This star has 6 points. Breathe in its brilliance as if you drew each breath from your heart. Breathe in for a count of 7. Hold it for 1. Breathe out for a count of 7. See yourself being slowly absorbed into the center of the star. Rest easily in the exquisite star temple of the heart and feel the presence of angels all around you. Relax and imagine that you are sinking gently into the soft petals of a fragrant rose, the color of the first flush of sunrise, a feral pink with a delicate fire red illuminating in its depths. Know that you are in the heart of the rose, and the rose is in your heart. Feel its tender enfoldment as if you were being drawn into the arms of a perfect love. From the rose emerges the angel of the rose, like a dream given by the divine. Breathe in the essence of this radiant angel, the quintessence of the rose, and let your spirit float, as if on air currents composed of the fragrance of the rose, into the shining, higher realms. Rest in the endless blue of a softly heaving ocean. Breathe in its depths more easily and more invigoratingly than you breathe the air. Feel the gentle, calming, cleansing rush of revitalization through your lungs as you take each breath of this magical element. The water surrounds you with an eternal wash of heavenly blue, but the waves are transparent and limpid as raindrops. They support you on a swelling breast of peace and well-being, the breast of a motherhood and all that reassures. Begin to realize that you are cradled within the heart of the great angel of peace. Her vibration is the sound of white surf, infinitely hushed, and yet a huge sound with a boom of might and majesty in it that soothes the ear and all its senses. Sleep for a moment in the heart of this vast angel and receive her healing in your bright dreams of ocean deep peace. Think of the mountaintops bathed in golden glory of the sun. Become aware of the soles of your feet treading the mountain heights with reverence and with worship. The divine presence dwells upon these shining hills. Feel the freedom, the expanse of vision, the falling away of fetters and little irritations which our earthly life can burden upon us. Let your vision take wing as you soar and walk upon the noble mountaintops. Breathe the sparkling air that the angels breathe, and keep with you always this vast, clear, free-ranging vision of the mountains of the Spirit. Now that you're in that spiritual light in your heart, we are going to ask the great angel Veamus to clear our surroundings. Great angel Veamus will clear your aura of negative vibrations and accumulated psychic material. He has the power over the unpleasant etheric mucus that gathers in our immediate environment and with auric field. This vicious substance has the same effect on physical mucus in that it blocks our spiritual breathing, poisons our systems, and hearing passages. This dynamic cleansing and clearing virtues of Veamus dissolves and purifies all forms of etheric mucus, absorbing into the heart of a high-spinning angelic energy so that its pollutants are transformed into golden etheric atoms charged with the effervescent life force. Great Angel Veamus. You could say this with me. Great Angel Veamus. Great Angel Veamus. Great Angel Veamus. Cleanse me of all accumulated etheric mucus and of all negative psychic matter that clings within and to my aura and pollutes my surroundings. Cleanse me in the west, cleanse me in the east, cleanse me in the south, cleanse me in the north. Encircle me with your power of cleansing. Your silver spinning loops that purge and clear, shed your purifying light throughout me until I am immaculate. Thank you, dear angel of the heights. Be with me and shine in me through this day. Next, we're going to call on Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael rules the angelic hierarchy. We are going to call on him to deliver us by means of his magical sword. See that star in your heart again? Do your breathing. Breathe in for 7. Hold it for 1. And out for 7. The sword of Archangel Michael is electric blue and bright silver in color. It throws off shafts of blue-silver light, and its blade flashes pure silver. Use this sword with caution. See it cutting away unwanted conditions and stagnant energy from around and within your aura and chakras. But let it work gently and with calm precision, as a dedicated surgeon might work. The silver blade cuts and frees, while the flashing blue of the sword seals the sites where the silver blade has descended and cleansed. Using these two qualities of the sword in sequence, cutting and then sealing, thank you, Archangel Michael. We ask for your continued protection and blessing. This third great powerful tool for cleansing is called the violet flame. This was a gift given to humanity by Saint Germain, one of the Ascended Masters. He's concerned with our solar system, and he came down from the spiritual realms to offer his teaching to us. The use of this violet flame, the use of this violet consuming flame is more valuable to mankind than all of the wealth, all of the gold, and all of the jewels of this planet. Archangel Zadkiel has described this violet flame as a giant electrode of cosmic energy. When we invoke this energy, no negativity can stand in its way. The first step to invoking the violet flame is to step into that heart in your star, the star in your heart, and we're going to call upon Archangel Michael for protection. This protection, once requested, is definite and assured. Archangel Michael, please protect us as we invoke the violet flame. Enter the star of the spiritual light. Archangel Michael is with you now. Imagine that the 7th ray of the rainbow, like the mysterious light cascading from some hollowed violet jewel in the heavenly realms, is enfolding and illuminating you. Its fiery essence permeates every cell, every atom, and every subatomic particle in your body. It enters into each and every body that is yours and comprises your soul. It surfaces your emotions, your mind, your nervous system, your memory, and your subconscious. We're going to say this at least 3 times. I am the being of violet fire. I am the purity God desires. I am the being of violet fire. I am the purity God desires. I am the being of violet fire. I am the purity God desires. After working with these short and simple meditations, it's wise to seal your upper chakras. It just takes a few seconds. See a circle of light enclosing a bright silver cross, and hold this image briefly over your crown, over the top of